now? Can we have question answers for both the speakers right now? Please unmute yourself, give your feedback and talk to them, please. So raise your hand so that I can unmute you, or you can unmute yourself. Ashwin, मेरे को तेरा नाम नहीं बोला ठीक से. हाँ जी.
Anu, in the meanwhile, can you?
हाँ, मैं वीडियो दिखाती हूँ आपका.
वीडियो दिखा दीजिए.
हाँ जी, प्लीज अभी दिखा रही.
While people are typing the questions or wanting to ask.
This is Gopu at 6 years of age. Can you imagine? ये 6 साल के हैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ. अरे. This is how old are you here?
I must have been 10 years old probably. I was in the school band. I used to play the drums.
Wow. And this is?
That is college. Yeah, a best student award.
Wow. लगते हैं ना पढ़ाई वाले.
हाँ, ये पढ़ाई वाला है. That's my mother.
Namaskaram to her.
Namaskaram. Yes, definitely. Pranam.
That's his papa.
My dad and my papa. Yes.
And that's his wife.
Yeah, my wedding photograph.
Wow. And I have to go into the post back again. That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I hope you all enjoyed his 6 to 64 story.
Yeah, 6 to 64.
Anu, can you share my family pics?
Yes, I can. Just give me a minute. I will have to go back into. देखो आप लोग मुझे ना जब तक टेक्नोलॉजी savvy नहीं ना कर दोगे, किसी ने वो नहीं बोलना है कि ठीक है अनु तुझे बख्श नहीं सकते.
Anu, you know a lot. Definitely you know a lot.
Yes.
मैं भी सीख के नहीं आई थी, मैं भी learned on the job है. अच्छा, आप लोग अपने सवाल रेडी रखो. Do not let these guys go like this. ये एक मिनट. Okay. कौन सा वाला है मैडम? फर्स्ट वाला, सेकंड वाला, थर्ड वाला?
आज जिसमें सबकी डाली है ना मैंने जर्नी.
मुझे नहीं मालूम. ये देखिए आपको दिख रहा है ऑन द स्क्रीन कौन सा वाला है?
नहीं
मुझे दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे.
नहीं.
ओके, तो हम आपको स्क्रीन पे अभी डाल देते हैं, फिर आप हमको.
स्लाइड नंबर तो मुझे याद नहीं है.
नहीं, स्लाइड की बात नहीं है. यहाँ पे 3 स्लाइड्स खुल रही हैं.
ओह.
हाँ, इसलिए. ओपन, कैंसल. ये आपका सीधा की नोट पे जा रहा है आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन.
अगर नहीं हो रहा तो इट्स ओके, लीव इट.
कोशिश करते हैं. कोशिश से तो खुदा भी मिल जाता है. आप जल्दी छोड़ने को बोल रही हैं. इंस्पिरेशन आप हैं तो हम भी पर्सपिरेशन तो कर ही सकते हैं.
थैंक यू.
एक मिनट. ये देखिए, ये जब हम डाउनलोड करते हैं तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन आपकी आ रही है. अभी इस प्रेजेंटेशन को यहाँ से यहाँ रखना पड़ेगा. एंड नॉट नाउ. ओके ओके, खुल जा. गो टू द ऐप स्टोर. क्यों लेके जा रहा है मुझे?
Then leave it. It's okay.
आपने उसको पावर पॉइंट में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया है.
Because I had this Mac ना, so इसलिए मैंने इसको.
नहीं, मेरा भी Mac है. मेरा भी Mac ही है.
But I don't know how. I'm also not technology savvy at all.
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी savvy हूँ. 2 मिनट आप मुझे दे दें, इसको कन्वर्ट कर देंगे.
ठीक है.
फिर आप देख सकेंगे. But let's go with the question answers first.
ठीक है. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Let's do that. Okay.
Great.
So I have to stop sharing now.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Unmute करें. अच्छा, बिनाइफर आ गए हैं. Very good. Binaifar, right in time, madam. Queries खोलें and let's talk. अभी आप दोनों के लिए एक प्रेजेंट है, both my presenters के लिए. आप लोग इतनी देर से इंस्पिरेशन कर रहे हो, तो मैंने कहा आपके लिए कुछ तो देना चाहिए. Binaifar, you're there? Binaifar, you're there?
She's connecting to audio, Anu. I think there is some network issue.
तब तक आप अनम्यूट करके अपने क्वेश्चन सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. ईशवान कौर, आपने जो पूछना है पूछिए.
अश्विन.
ठीक है यार, अश्विन. अश्विन.
अश्विन.
That's okay. Ishwin.
अश्विन.
अश्विन.
नहीं ऐसे कैसे ओके कैसे नहीं है. अश्विन. ठीक है.
नहीं, it's not okay because you know यहाँ पे क्या होता है, मेरा बेटा फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल गया था किंडरगार्टन.
मिस कौर बुला सकती हूँ आपको?
Mrs. Kaur.
नहीं.
Ishwin.
I've got a very sweet name, Anu.
बोल ना, क्या है तेरा नाम?
अश्विन. तो मेरा बेटा फर्स्ट डे किंडरगार्टन गया और उसकी टीचर ने, उसका नाम है ज्योत.
आपकी शक्ल,
तो उसकी टीचर ने उसको बोला,
लगाया होगा आपने.
हाँ जी,
शक्ल.
तो उसके टीचर ने उसको बोला जाट सिंह. He felt so bad और उसने अपनी टीचर को बोला, Miss Avelino, no, my name is Jyot. Make it correct, Jyot. She called me after the school. That was the first day of the kindergarten. And the teacher called me.
मैडम जी, कान पकड़े हैं मैंने.
She said, I'm so sorry.
आप और मैं बैठ के याद करेंगे इसको, नाम को.
I'm so sorry, your son got hurt. I never mean to hurt him, but really, you know, it was the first day of the school, and I was trying to like get the name of all students. But then he made me correct twice. He says, Miss Avelino, my name is Jyota, not Jota.
Yes. अच्छा, कोई सवाल
So
है?
that's what I'm telling.
कोई सवाल है आपका?
आप इश्वीन ही बोलेंगे.
इश्वीन, ठीक है? इश्वीन.
ठीक है ना? Just kidding. Okay, nothing personal. Just kidding.
किडिंग की क्या बात है? इश्वीन. इश्वीन किडिंग विडिंग नहीं होती है. चलो पूछो सवाल.
अच्छा ऐसे क्या? नीतू, thank you so much. Neetu, this is for you. Hats to you. तेजी ने already बोल दिया था कि आप बहुत हमारे लिए inspiration, and I wish कि but I would say you are very lucky to have that supportive parents, right? Right,
Yes.
Teji? If I'm not wrong, Teji?
Yes.
She's my cousin. Teji is my cousin. That we had gone through, like me and Teji, we had gone through all those things, like similar to your kind of, but I think we never had our parents' support, to be honest. On this platform, this is the first time I'm telling in public, like, because we came from a very conservative family. जहाँ पे खाली ना वो बिजनेस क्लास कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली इंडिया में होते हैं ना, कहते हैं कि हमारी इज्जत, माँ बाप की इज्जत, बेटी मर जाती तो अच्छा था, वो सोसाइटी में इज्जत होती कि अरे मर गई बेचारी, मर गई, दुख, ससुराल वालों ने दुख दिया, मर गई, पर बेटी घर वापस आ गई, ये बहुत बड़ा उनके लिए इमेज इशू हो गया, लाइक सोसाइटी में. हाँ, इनकी बेटी वापस आ गई, अरे रे, राइट, लाइक इसमें ही कसूर था, राइट, वापस आई.
So much for sharing that. क्योंकि इसीलिए लोग वहां बैठे न रहें, इसीलिए ये फोरम क्रिएट किया है कि कोई ना कोई किसी की बात सुन के शायद.
Hats to you, Neetu. Thank you. Very
Thank
lucky.
you so
And
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you, Teji, once again for bringing me up to this, for joining me this group. This is my second day, second session, right, Anu? I was there, I think, abhi jo
Absolutely.
day before yesterday.
Yes.
This is amazing, I think. And my kids are with me today. Hum abhi lunch kar rahe the, so I was telling them about Neetu, you, because they came late, so I was telling them there. Then the Gopal, she was talking, I was telling them, because I am wearing my headphones, so they cannot listen. So they says, Mom, go ahead. Keep it up.
Good
Go
job.
ahead with them.
Good job. So Teji,
Thank you,
you want to
Neetu.
say something?
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Anu.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Teji,
Thank you.
Do you want to share something? Or
Again, very inspiring, Neetu, to hear your part of the story. I know so many women who go through this, and yes, there are very few who are blessed, and I keep telling many people that don't get your daughters married first. Make them very independent. You never know what life can be for them, because we definitely don't want any next girl to go through this without being financially independent. It makes a lot of difference to people, and it gives a lot of courage to the girl, to the lady, to go through that
Gigi,
life's
I'm going to
challenges.
interrupt you over here and say to people loudly, even women who are financially independent go through this shit.
I
Even
know,
women who
Anu.
are educated go through this shit. This
Yeah,
shit happens because we hide, we don't say no. And
yeah,
नो सपोर्ट उसको कितनी भी मिली हो नीतू को या गोपाल जी को, चलना उसकी राह को खुद को ही पड़ता
खुद
है.
को ही है. Absolutely.
और हम ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकते कि उनको सपोर्ट मिली थी, दूसरों
No,
ने.
no, no. But I know support matters a lot, because
It,
you
of
are
course
going
it
through
does.
a crisis. You are going through that emotional.
Of
That
course it does.
journey is like, even Neetu can tell, I can tell, Teji can tell, because we had gone through it, right? And that
Absolutely.
support of your family matters a lot at that time. You know, that matters a lot.
Absolutely. And I think, Neetu, your parents are right here on the forum. We would love them to say a hi to us and say whatever they feel like saying little later in the day.
Okay.
Archana, you have anything to say, share? Archana,
Anu, I thoda volume. Can you hear me?
yes?
Okay, good. Only thing is that I really feel that it is amazing that the amount of strength she bounced back with.
Yes.
That conviction, that strength. कि देखी जाएगी, मैं तो हुई ना.
बस
And this, it's amazing.
वो भी खुदा देता है.
बिल्कुल,
Thank you.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you. Thank you. Jay,
Absolutely.
any sharing, Jay? Any feedback, any sharing? अगर कंजूसी से फीडबैक दोगे और कंजूसी से सवाल पूछोगे तो आपको यहाँ से एग्जिट कर दिया जाएगा. चलो फटाफट.
Anu, ये rule पहली बार start हुआ है.
कभी कभी ऐसे रिस्क लेने चाहिए.
मैं तो अभी बोलने वाली थी that we just heard another motivated, story from Teji's cousin I'm forgetting her name. Ishveen.
Ishveen.
Ishveen. I was right.
Ishveen.
It's ISH Ishveen. Ishveen. Okay.
चलो
मैं थी Ishveen. Absolutely right.
नीतू तेरे पेरेंट्स को लेके आते हैं ऑन फोरम.
Acha,
Yeah, we would definitely would love to
Hold
meet
on,
them.
I'll
Yeah.
bring them. I think they were online, but now daddy's having food. Just let me check. Give me a second. I'll just
Yeah,
come
go
back.
ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just get them.
Nidhi Agrawal, would you like to share? Nidhi ji. Nidhi, would you unmute yourself and share? Okay. Pari, would you please share? Pari? Reema? Okay, let's wait for her parents to come. Okay, Binayfar, आप करोगे तब तक?
Anu,
Yes, Anu.
Anu, Neetu's parents, dad has come.
Wonderful. Sarji, namaste, sat shri akal.
Hello, I'm Rama. Rama Agarwal.
Namaste.
Both are here.
Wonderful. सर जी आप कुछ कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि आपकी सपोर्ट के बिना ये काम नहीं हो सकता था, और ये वाकई सही है कि आपकी सपोर्ट के बिना, आप दोनों की सपोर्ट के बिना ये काम नहीं हो सकता था. बट आप कुछ कहेंगे प्लीज सर?
हाँ नहीं, डेफिनेटली हम लोगों ने तो उसको फ्रॉम द because I wanted to have a girl, and from the day when she was born, I loved her so much, and she has been in fact my strength all along in my struggle. Also, I have been running here and there, but once I was in Kuwait, we were settled. But then we had to run away, and we supported her, but allowed her to take her own decision. Yes, we are always supporting her, but whatever she wanted to do in his life, we said, like, now she, I believe, quite good healer. I should not, I find her excellent. Even I am her student, so I always miss her success, and definitely she will be successful, but we always support her.
Thank you जी. मम्मा जी कुछ कहेंगे?
रमा जी, हाँ, बोलो कुछ भी।
रमा जी कुछ कहेंगे?
हाँ जी,
प्लीज.
लड़कियां, हम जब लड़कियां किसी को देते हैं, अपनी लड़कियों को शादियां करते हैं, तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप उनको बिल्कुल उस तरीके से रखो. तो उसका हमारा तो ये है कि लड़कियों को प्यार करो. अगर नहीं लगता अच्छा तो आप वापस आओ. हमारा तो शुरू से ही था कि अगर तेरे को नहीं खुश है तो तू वापस आ जा. नहीं तो लड़कियां किसी की भी लाओ, बहुएं लाओ या जो भी लाओ, उन लड़कियों को इतना प्यार दो कि वो अपना माँ बाप छोड़कर हमारे पास आती है. और हम ही लोग उनको नहीं रखेंगे ढंग से तो वो नहीं रह पाएंगे. प्यार देंगे तो प्यार पाएंगे.
This is all the parents across the globe. Please support your children. वो आप ही के हैं. सोसाइटी आपकी होगी कि नहीं होगी मुझे नहीं मालूम, पर ये बच्चे आप ही के होंगे. थैंक यू रमा जी. थैंक यू सर जी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू जी. थैंक यू अनु जी. बहुत बहुत आप जो कर रहे हैं, इट इज ग्रेट. इट इज रियली ग्रेट.
थैंक यू जी. शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू.
विनायक सर, आप रेडी हैं काउडीज के साथ?
यस अनु.
चलिए आज एक एक के लिए पढ़ दें. सबसे पहले मेरे फर्स्ट स्पीकर के लिए, नीतू के लिए, फिर गोपाल कृष्ण रमन के लिए, और फिर ज्यादा लोग नहीं हैं अभी तो सबके लिए पढ़ देंगे. ठीक है?
या.
थैंक यू.
नीतू, you have any questions?
No.
सवाल?
कुछ भी नहीं.
Okay.
I'm good.
Vinay sir, you're rocking, boss.
Thank you.
ये मल्टीटास्किंग कर रही है.
बिनाइफर, आपकी स्माइल दिखा दो आज भी.
Arey, 1 minute. I'm in a position where I could not on my camera. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
यार वो ऐसे है कि किस कर रही थी अपने हस्बैंड को, तो ऐसे
She's a Madhuri Dixit of our group.
मैं तो बोलने वाली थी, धक धक होने लगा.
Arey, nothing like that, Baba.
ड्राइवर, तेरे गाल लाल हो रहे होंगे यार, अब तो दिखाएंगे.
विनायक सर ऐसे 2 बेबीज पैदा कर लिए. मजाक के मूड में थे इसलिए.
1 minute. Neeti, for you, what I've got is whatever you feel are your problems currently are slowly moving out of from all around you. And if you ever feel that you need a companion, that is there. It's gonna happen. It will take some time, but again, you need to change a few thought processes that you have currently. It will take time for you to change your viewpoint about a lot of things in life. So once you do that, again, the family life that you had always wanted, that you had always wished of, is going to be possible. So just hang in there. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That was
Thank you.
beautiful.
Yes, thank you so much.
गोपाल कृष्णन रमन.
Yeah.
इतना बड़ा नाम मैंने कभी नहीं लिया उनके लिए.
बहुत बड़ा नाम.
बहुत बड़ा नाम. अच्छा गोपू जी के लिए प्लीज पढ़ दे.
Any questions?
Binafer, just wanted to know, I have some goals which have to be achieved in the next couple of years. Just wanted to
Okay.
know what will be the outcome.
Sure. So for you, what I'm getting is that your goals will be achieved, but what are you not willing to see that could make it happen even faster? Are you not willing to see a different point of view, maybe something different that you can go about it? Maybe you have set a certain way that, okay, I need my goals to be fulfilled, but in this way only. But what if by instead of going the straight way, you take a right turn or a left turn? How is that going to enhance the opportunities of your goals being achieved much faster? Because there
Okay.
is success, there is money that is flowing in, there is abundance that is flowing in, but you need to use your intuition and
Okay.
just maybe steer a bit away from the course that you're on, and things will change for you drastically.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Binafer.
you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Wonderful. अर्चना के लिए पढ़ दे.
Yes.
अर्चना,
Archana, any
कोई सवाल?
questions?
Archana, how are you feeling now?
अर्चना म्यूटेड है तू. अभी भी म्यूटेड है. क्या हुआ? मैडम जी म्यूटेड हो. अच्छा ऐसे ही पढ़ दे तू बिनाइफर.
तो Binafer, नहीं यार, जी I'm absolutely fine. मैं तो पर्दे से जवाब दिए जा रही थी सबको.
Any question?
Good
I'll
to
just
hear that.
ask.
नहीं Binafer, everything's welcome. कुछ भी.
ठीक है. Okay. So Archana, where are you so lost in so many things that you're not able to focus on any one thing that you actually want? You want a lot of movement right now, you want a lot of freedom right now, but you're not able to get it. So you're feeling a bit stifled, you're feeling a bit within the walls where you want to break free from a lot of things, but you're unable to do so. So just try and be calm, just try and do something which will change your daily routine. So whatever you're doing daily, maybe just a little shift in that to bring a change in energy, that will start the wheels in motion, and you will soon see things changing for you. Maybe do some chanting which you've not done before, like whatever you have been doing, or if you're doing something daily, then do another chant, like just move away from that whatever you're doing. Or if you were doing something and you've completely stopped, then go ahead and restart that. You need some change in your daily life to start coming into your work, your passion all over again. Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much. Can you read for Teji, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any questions?
No, Binay, for general reading. Thank you.
Yeah. So for you, I'm getting there is a slight block in you either for receiving or for giving. So what are you not willing to give of yours? Are you not willing to give maybe your time? Are you not willing to share your thoughts with people where you can receive something in return? So the money is there for you. It's showing a good inflow of money. But what are you not willing to receive? So open your receiving, open your heart to whatever is coming in your way, and a lot of clarity will come for you in your life. You may be feeling blocked towards the family, you may be feeling blocked towards a lot of things. So just open your receiving and automatically everything will fall into place. Thank you.
Wonderful. We'll read
Thank you,
for
Binafer.
Ishween.
Welcome. Yeah.
Ishmi. Hi, Binafer.
Hi. Any questions?
Bini, right? मैंने chat में देखा सब बिनी लिखते हैं. So hi Bini.
Hi. Thank you.
How are you?
Good. Good. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you. Okay. Can you guess what is going on in my mind right now? And give me the answer to my problem I'm going
Okay.
through.
Okay. So whatever you're going through right now, there is a solution to it, and the solution will come to it. So if it is regarding your family, that something related to that, you are getting messages, you're getting what is to be done, what is not to be done. So follow that and go with the flow regarding that. And the blocks that you're facing, it's possible because some issue that you've had in your past life, which is catching up on you right now, and you need to release yourself from those thoughts and thought forms. Now if you also feel that kisi ka nazar lag gaya hai, that people are trying to, this is just a thought, that if this is what you're feeling, then just release that, because it's nothing like that. So you just need to be strong in whatever your thoughts are, and there is a lot of abundance that is there, there is a lot of growth that is there. So whatever the issue that you're thinking of, there is a way out of it, and there is a good solution out of it. So you need to just change the way you're looking at things. So maybe if you feel that okay, only talking to this one person is right, then change your perspective, try and talk to person B and C as well, and see what is coming up, and then come to a solution to that.
Wonderful.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Can you just read for my mom and then for
Yeah,
me, and that's where we end the session.
sure. Okay. So, Auntie, for you, I have got right now, you just want to be at home, you want to be, um, you want to be protected. You want to be in a space where you feel that you want looking after. So just be in that space, enjoy that space right now, and release whatever worries that you have. Maybe this is the time that you need to receive. It's possible that you have been a giver a lot, so now this is your time to receive. So please happily accept whatever help is coming your way, and just be happy in that receiving. Thank you.
Wonderful. If you could do a reading for me too. बोला
Sure.
अपने आप को गुमराह नहीं रखना चाहिए ना, अपने आप को भी पूरे वो देने चाहिए.
Of course. Anu, today you're out of focus, Anu. You are, it's like, sometimes you just become blank.
Okay.
And just be in the company of people who can advise you well, because that is what you need right now. And a lot, again, I'm getting today that whatever space you're in, it's because a lot of karmic release is happening, a lot of healing is happening with you. So just let that happen, let it flow. Don't restrict Don't restrict whatever is happening to you. Let it out, let it flow. And that's the only way where it's going to have a beautiful relationship with you and your future that is to come. So receive whatever is coming and let go of whatever is releasing from your system. And that's going to be a beautiful journey for you.
Thank you so much.
Most
Thank you
welcome.
so much. Thank you, Neetu. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Gopal, Gopu. I'm going to अभी मत जाना, एक गाना आप लोगों